hold on, I'm not ready. Okay.
You still didn't push record. Oh yeah, you did.
Good morrow.
Take 2. He didn't record the first time. Good morning.
Yes, I did. I was recording the whole time.
Alright guys, Camper told me before I leave camp this morning to make sure I check out this Chase Lounge right by the river, natural lounge, and also an armchair, which I'm assuming he's talking about that right there. He said he had his coffee there this morning. That's pretty funny, but it's actually stairs.
Why is it cutting my head off? All right, good morning.
Short. I don't know.
Because you're short. You're the short one.
A lot of people aren't about today.
Yeah, that's because it's Tuesday.
Or you see 3 other people.
Yeah.
Section hikers, I suppose, but one could be a fun hiker.
Anyways, we are doing like 12 miles today. Short day, easy day, peasy day.
Yeah, it's probably like 10:30 or something, 10 o'clock.
We slept in.
And then we moseyed around getting ready. Lord Camper's natural armchair.
Very natural.
But yeah, only like 12 miles, tenting somewhere along the way. And yeah. Alright guys, we got a little bit of a road walk today. The bridge is apparently bad over, what is it, Comer Creek. So they rerouted the AT on the road. We've read Gut Hook's comments that say still can pass on the bridge and whatever. But because it has officially been rerouted and changed in Gut Hooks and new markers, we are going this way. I don't think it makes it too much longer, but definitely not as cool. It does make it a little longer, so that's what we're doing. I'm gonna think a message from Camper. All right, guys, about 3.5 miles to the next shelter, which is Tempe shelter. We're not staying there. I think we're gonna stop there for lunch, Thomas and I at least. Camper, and then the section hiker 5 o'clock, who's kind of been sticking with us, is they're both ahead of us. From the shelter, we have probably about 2.5 miles ish. We're gonna try and find a stealth spot, do about 12.5 miles for the day. No more than 13 probably, just depending on what we can find. And that way we set ourselves up to go to Partnership Shelter tomorrow. For those of you that don't know, that's the famous shelter you can order pizza and have it delivered at. So we may or may not do that, but we're doing a Nero there for a resupply. We're not sure what our plan is after we resupply, so I'm sure tomorrow I'll have a better idea to let you guys know.
Alright, we are here at the Tempe shelter. Trippy. It's got a nice little fireplace inside. Probably like room for 3 people on the bottom, 1 on top, 3 people on the bottom. Pretty nice little shelter.
Looks like a little cottage.
Looks like a mythical cottage.
Show from the side what it looks like.
Jolene wants me to show you from the side.
I don't know why it's not focusing, but check it out, guys. I got this little tiny baby caterpillar inchworm. Hitching a ride on my trekking poles. I'll let him go nicely. Alright, guys. We're almost to the first of many, well, I shouldn't say many, a few campsites on Gut Hooks. Less than a mile to the first one, marked on Gut Hooks. Thomas is in front of me. Camper's back behind me somewhere, not too far. And, yep. When we find one that'll fit all of us, that's where we're gonna end our day. And might make a fire tonight because it's pretty early. Still, it's only like 4 o'clock or 4:10. So, yeah.
Was our intended camp spot today, but as you can see, it's pretty pine coney, rooty. It's on a slant, which you can't really tell, but the whole thing is just on a slant, and there's no water. So we went back down the trail a little ways, got some water, and we're gonna go up that hill, and there's a camp spot up the hill, hopefully. So that's our plan for now. Should be another 2 or 3 miles to the next campsite.
Strangely quiet out here. Thomas is way up ahead. Camper was behind me. We had some service making a phone call. I don't know how far behind he is now. And it's quiet. And this looks exactly like where I would picture a bear to live. So, hearing a lot of birds and chipmunks rattling in the leaves. I like got my eyes peeled just in case, because I feel like this looks like a bear's home. Seen a few good spots that look like they could be bear dens, but they weren't cleaned out, so they definitely weren't. But still, you never know. So I'm prepping my stuff for tomorrow, and this is all I'm gonna have left to eat tomorrow, which is okay because we only have 3.9. We ended up pushing on further today, so I'll eat all that tomorrow probably. Gonna eat my gummies tonight, and that's one chocolate peanut butter thing and drink mixes in there. So yeah, ready for a resupply for sure. Cut it a little too short tonight.